Every great city has a stage where its ambitions take shape. For Chennai, that stage is the Chennai Trade Centre, established by TNTPO in 2001 as a flagship venue for trade shows, exhibitions and conferences. Chennai Trade Centre reflects the spirit of Chennai, a city where tradition and legacy meet economic prosperity and technological progress. Strategically located near the Chennai International Airport, global IT parks and leading star hotels, the Trade Centre is easily accessible by road and metro. Spread over 34.61 acres, the Chennai Trade Centre is the largest venue for meetings, incentives, conferences and exhibitions in Tamil Nadu and serves as the global gateway to South India's trade landscape. The Chennai Trade Centre boasts an impressive built-up area of 9.7 lakh square feet of indoor space, seamlessly integrating 8 versatile exhibition halls for immersive trade shows and 2 grand convention halls that can host up to 6,000 attendees for events and conferences. Rooted in the cultural heartbeat of Tamil Nadu, the grandiose architecture is complemented by lush green spaces providing eco-friendly recreational zones. Our majestic lobby inspires ambition as a purpose-driven engagement hub for businesses, offering enhanced accessibility with state-of-the-art infrastructure and curated exhibition halls with dedicated lobbies, 3 dynamic conference rooms, executive B2B meeting rooms, exclusive private lounges and VIP rooms. This landmark architecture features Tamil Nadu's largest multi-level car parking facility in Chennai, with ground plus 6 floors accommodating up to 1,300 cars alongside surface car parking for 1,000 cars. The facility also features enhanced logistics with efficient entry and exit points and service elevators. The advanced integrated building management system ensures uninterrupted operations with advanced safety features, robust security, and modern amenities.
The CTC has become the premier destination for holding of conventions and exhibitions in the entire of South India. The CTC provides excellent opportunities for the industries and businesses to hold their meetings and carry on various business activities and trade promotions as well as marketing and this center. At CTC, we look forward to this center becoming the hub of industrial promotional activities for the state of Tamil Nadu and also for the whole of South India.
Catering to the evolving needs of the global MICE industry, our world-class venue has hosted a wide range of events from multinational trade exhibitions and industry-wide conferences to corporate events, award shows, and cultural performances. Welcome to the Chennai Trade Centre, the crown jewel of South India, where opportunities are forged, connections flourish, and milestones are celebrated.